Here we are, St. Maarten Airport. This is it. This is where everybody wants to be. Most are too scared to be here, like me. Here's a 747 coming right at me. Am I going to make it? Am I going to stay right here and watch? It looks like I am. In front of all these people, I would be a sissy if I didn't. Stay right here. But look at all the people on the beach. This is the craziest thing in the world. Look at all the people on the beach. This is it. This is crazy. There it was. They did it. I filmed it. Terry was here. She's walking over here grinning. Like this is one of the things she always wanted to do. And there she is. She's waving. She's happy. We did it. Now we're headed back to a more normal life.